Developing Your Intuitive Side with Derek. I was given a nickname of a happy medium by friends and locals in the Highland and Aberdeen area. After demonstrating my psychic and mediumship abilities, and the fact I'm a very positive, inspiring life coach who's always helped his clients to find a happy medium in life. I am very well known in Aberdeen, where I stayed most of my younger life, then moved back to the family home near Fort William, where I then developed my spiritual side, doing shows, events, appeared on TV, and really got immersed in the personal development and spiritual development, attending training at various centres around the UK, including the world famous Arthur Findlay College. I am now based in Elgin, at the Park House Business Centre, South Street. I have gained diplomas in life coaching, mindfulness-based cognitive behavioural therapy, past life regression, hypnotherapy. I can also do this life regression, which can help clients get rid of phobias, counselling, and I've done much more. I have done training in the use of crystals, mediumship, numerology, and so on. We all develop in our own ways, and I have been lucky enough to work in a field over the last 10 years that I love. I now want to encourage others to develop their skills and to pass on some of my experience by coaching. I have designed these workshops to assist you on your personal and spiritual journey. They are non-certified, but do boost your confidence in working with the higher self and that divine energy we all have inside us. The spirit world don't print out certificates anyway. It's all about the love and trusting in yourself. Also about having fun while you learn, not just from myself, but from everyone who takes part. I am fully insured and hold memberships with various professional associations, and I do follow national guidelines. Come and spend a day with myself at the Chieftain Hotel, Milburn Road, Inverness on the 16th of November, 9:30am to 4:30pm. You can get lunch from the hotel if required. Now more info on the course content. Take part in demonstrations and practice your own skills in a safe, calm environment. Develop your natural intuition. Learn how to heighten your intuition, also be mindful. Learn to relax and feel that divine love. Learn how to protect yourself from negativity. Remove blockages from past lives and learn to read others' past lives. See a full-blown past life regression or take part in one. It's not about me, it's about you. If you're interested, book now as places are limited. Places can be booked through Eventbrite from my events page or Facebook page. Book online from the events page at happymedium.co.uk. Call or text 074 681 19635, or you can email me at derek@ahappymedium.co.uk for more information. Thank you for listening, take care and enjoy the love.